Hi there, bit of a delay. Brian here, it's Movement Mondays, we're back. So today was an arms workout, because summer's coming and we want short sleeves, and functionally we want to be able to push and pull, lift. So the focus is getting a perfect angle. So for a bicep, we're looking at this concept here, leaning into it, so we've got a perfect angle of pull. And for a tricep, we're up here and we're doing this extension. So it's creating the most work for the muscle and creating the best contraction so that we get the best workout. And then functionally, you'll be able to push something onto a high shelf, you'll be able to pull something towards you, you'll be able to lift a heavy saucepan, you'll be able to do all the things that make life easy in a body you love to live in. So, start the week well, move on Monday. All the best, talk to you soon.